Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Be Fluent Together. Today I want to share something very personal with you, that how I learned English. This journey changed my life and maybe it will inspire you too. It all started back in March 2023. One day I randomly called an old friend. We were just catching up and during the conversation, she told me she is working somewhere. I said, "Oh wow, very good," like we usually say. Then I casually asked her, "Where do you work? Where do you go?" And she said, "I don't go anywhere. I work from home and earn money sitting at home." That really impressed me. And I started thinking, if she can do it, why can't I? And from that moment, I decided to learn English. She helped and guided me a lot. And yes, I also put my real efforts. I did everything I could think of, anything that could help me speak English. In the beginning, I was really bad at it. My grammar was not good and I couldn't speak fluently at all. So I thought, let's start with grammar, and I did. But when it came to using grammar in real conversations, I struggled a lot. I felt frustrated. After trying again and again with no results, I took a big decision. I stopped worrying about grammar and just started speaking. I started talking to myself in English about everything around me. If I was watching a TV show, I'd repeat the dialogues in English. There is a school near my home. Whenever someone spoke on the mic during school programs, I could hear it clearly. While working in the kitchen, I would translate and repeat those lines in English. I kept doing this daily without skipping, and one day, I suddenly felt I am improving. I was genuinely happy. Like, yes, my hard work is paying off. So I didn't stop and kept going. Slowly, my grammar also started falling into place during conversations. Because I had already learned the rules earlier, now they were coming naturally. But then came another big challenge: talking to people. I used to get anxious and nervous. What if I mess up? I remember I once made up my mind I have to speak to others now. But I was nervous. My hands were cold. My mind went blank. After that, I felt disappointed in myself. But I didn't quit. Bit by bit, I tried again, and today I can talk to people way more confidently than before. I learned one thing: if you truly work hard, results do come. There is no magic, no shortcut, just consistent effort and belief. So if you are also on your English learning journey, please be patient with yourself. You will get there, just don't stop. Before I end, let me share a few things that really helped me. Talk to yourself in English. It may feel weird at first, but it's powerful. Record short videos of yourself speaking. It helps you hear and fix your mistakes. Repeat lines from English shows or reels. Imitate tone and expressions. Think in English. Try to translate everything around you. And stop fearing grammar. And speak first, grammar will follow naturally. Step out of your comfort zone. Don't care about others think. Give 15 or 20 minutes daily. No excuse, that's your golden time. Whether you are a student or a housewife, a job seeker or anyone else, you can learn English if your intention is clear and your effort is honest. Please promise yourself today, no matter how slow you go, you won't stop. Thank you so much for listening to my story. If it helped or inspired you even a little, leave a comment and let me know. And if you want more such videos from me, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and keep growing. Bye bye.